Students, today I will teach you degrees of comparison. There are three degrees: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. I have written three examples of each degree. You just remember the example. If you remember only just these three sentences, then you will be able to convert any sentence in any degree. Let us see all three sentences. Very few animals are so strong as the horse. This is the example of positive degree. I have written in very short manner PD. PD means positive degree. So here instead of so, you can also use as. And remember which type of words generally we use in positive degree. Positive degree you can start with very few. Very few. And so strong as, so big as, you can use as strong as big as. These type of words you can use. So this is the structure or format of positive degree. You just remember. So this is one of the simplest way to write positive degree. Now there is also another method to write the sentence in positive degree. That is little difficult, so I have given you the simplest technique. Now I am telling you the other technique of positive degree. That is no other. No other animals are so strong as the horse. This sentence is also in positive degree. So there are two methods to write the sentence in positive degree. One is you can start with very few. Another you can start with no other. Very few is simpler than another technique. That's why I wrote this sentence. Okay. Again I am repeating the answer. No other animals are so strong as the horse. Here you can write no other animals are as strong as the horse. So this is also positive degree. So there are two ways to write the sentence is positive. One I have written, another I have given. Now let us see comparative degree. The horse is stronger than most other animals. CD means I have written in short form comparative degree. Now how will you remember comparative degree? Generally these type of words you will see in comparative degree. Which type of? Stronger, smaller, bigger. These type of words you can see. Most other, instead of most you can use many other also. For example, you can write the horse is stronger than many other animals. That is also correct answer. Okay? And THAN, then is also very important and necessary in comparative degree. But you just remember the spelling. THAN, then, not THEN. Just remember. So the horse is stronger than most other animals. This is comparative degree. Strong, stronger, strongest. Big, bigger, big, that is positive, bigger, that is comparative, and biggest, that is superlative. Small, positive, smaller, comparative, and smallest, superlative. But if there is such word like beautiful, then what will you do? So beautiful, you cannot say beautifuler. That is wrong. So in such words you can use beautiful, positive, comparative, more beautiful, and superlative, most beautiful. So in this way you can add in some words more in comparative and most in superlative degree. So this is about comparative. You just remember the structure of comparative. stronger, smaller, bigger, this type of words, plus THAN, then most other, many other, these type of words generally we use in comparative degree. Now let us see superlative degree. The horse is one of the strongest animals. SD means superlative degree. Student, in superlative degree, we use this type of words. One of the strongest, one of the biggest, one of the smallest, one of the thinnest. These type of words we generally use in superlative degree. This is one method which is very simple. There is also another method. For example, this sentence I can also write in this way in superlative. The horse is the strongest animal. The horse is the strongest animal. This is another method of superlative degree. So I hope you understand all three ways of degrees. Now one by one we will try to convert the sentences into other degrees in the same way. Okay, you just remember these three sentences. Here these three examples. Okay, now let us see first sentence. Very few trees. So when you read very few, only these two words are enough to understand and to decide the sentence which is in which degree. When you read very few, that means it is in positive degree. Very few trees in the world are so tall as the pine. Pine is the name of a tree. PD means positive degree. Now you have to convert into comparative degree. How will you convert? Just keep in the mind this example, and instead of horse you can put pine. The pine is, instead of stronger you can put here tall, so taller. The pine is taller than most other trees. Yeah, many other trees. In this way you can write the answer. So this is about comparative degree. Now let us convert into superlative degree. So you just remember example number 3. Instead of horse you put the word pine. Pine is one of the tallest trees. Pine is one of the tallest trees. So I hope you understand. Now in the same way, let us convert another sentence. The Girnar is one of the highest mountains in Gujarat. This is the sentence in superlative degree. Now we will convert into positive degree. So how will you convert? We will start with very few. Very few mountains in Gujarat are so high as the Girnar. Again I am repeating the answer. Very few mountains in Gujarat are so high. Yeah, you can use as high as the Girnar. So this is positive degree. Now comparative degree, in the same way, the Girnar is higher than many other mountains in Gujarat. The Girnar is higher than many other mountains in Gujarat. So this is about comparative degree. Now number 3. India is greater than most other countries in the world. This is in comparative degree. Now we have to convert first of all into positive degree. So we can start with very few. very few countries in the world are so great as India. I am repeating the answer. You just pay attention. Very few countries in the world are so great as India. This is positive degree. Now let us convert into superlative degree. You can write India is the greatest country. This is one way. Another way you can write in this way, in this manner. India is one of the greatest countries in the world. I am repeating the answer. India is one of the greatest countries in the world. Now number 4. Nainital is one of the best hill stations. SD means superlative. So the sentence is already given in superlative degree. So we will convert first of all into positive degree. So we can start with very few. Very few hill stations are so good as Nainital. I am repeating the answer. Very few hill stations are so good as Nainital. Now we will convert into comparative degree. Nainital is better than many other hill stations. I am repeating the answer. Nainital is better than many other, you can use most other hill stations. So good is positive degree, better is comparative, and best is superlative degree. Number 5. The Gita is one of the most outstanding religious books in the world. SD means superlative degree, already given in superlative degree. Now let us convert into positive degree. So we can start with very few. Very few religious books in the world are as outstanding as the Gita. I am repeating the answer. Very few religious books in the world are as outstanding as Gita. This is positive degree. Now we will convert into comparative. The Gita is more outstanding religious books in the world. The Gita is more outstanding religious books in the world. Yeah, we can also convert in this manner. The Gita is more outstanding than many other religious books in the world. I am repeating the answer. This answer seems perfect. So I am repeating the answer. The Gita is more outstanding than many other religious books in the world. This is the correct answer. Now let us see the number 6. The Japanese are more courteous than many other people in the world. It is in comparative degree. So we will convert into positive degree. Very few people in the world are so courteous as the Japanese. Again I am repeating the answer. Very few people in the world are so courteous as the Japanese. And now I am converting into superlative degree. The Japanese are one of the most courteous people in the world. I am repeating the answer. The Japanese are one of the most courteous people in the world. That is, this is superlative degree. Now let us see the last sentence. Very few weapons on the earth are so powerful as non-violence. This is in positive degree. Now let us see in comparative degree. Non-violence is more powerful than many other weapons on the earth. I am repeating the answer. Non-violence is more powerful than many other weapons on the earth. This is comparative degree. Now I am using superlative degree. Non-violence is one of the most powerful weapons on the earth. Again I am repeating the answer. Non-violence is one of the most powerful weapons on the earth. So I hope you understand the sentences. You just practice some such more sentences and definitely you will get command on this topic.